Taylor Posada made $48,000 in just 4 months. Meg Heckman pulled in $90,000 last month alone. And they are selling something that everyone thinks is dead, t-shirts. If you've been told that print on demand is over, you have been lied to. Not only is it alive, it is exploding. Here's what nobody is talking about. Taylor and Meg aren't making money doing the obvious stuff. They're using a strategy almost nobody touches, and that's why they're winning. And I'm gonna break it down for you in this video. But first, look at this. The print-on-demand industry is projected to hit $19.8 billion by 2029, nearly doubling in size. That's not dying, that's a gold rush. So the real question is, can you use AI to build a business like this? The answer is, I already did. And today I want to show you exactly how. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to make money online using AI with Hostinger. And I'm going to show you how to use different website builders inside Hostinger to create a print-on-demand store that look like this and this. You pick the one you want or test both. And don't worry, this isn't going to be some dragged out tutorial because these sites were literally built from a single prompt. It's totally insane. And Hostinger gives you everything you need to start a business online. It's all in one place. And I'm not gonna just show you how to build the store. I'm gonna show you the part most people skip, how to make money from it twice. It's a double dipping strategy that no one talks about. So make sure you guys stick around. You guys ready to get into it? Let's go. Okay, so first we're gonna need a platform to use to set this up. And I'm gonna use Hostinger. Now, just so you guys know, this is much more than just a website builder. It's an all-in-one tool where you can get your domain name, have hosting, professional email, so you're not using @Gmail or @Yahoo. You're gonna actually look professional with this. They have marketing tools inside to help you promote your business. It's all in this one platform. And I'm not going to use Shopify or Etsy when creating this print-on-demand store. You know why? Because they have transaction fees. With Hostinger, it costs nothing. Literally, you get 100% of the profit. Now, I always want to say, quick disclaimer in my videos, I am not promising you anything. Nothing get rich quick stuff. Everything I'm talking about takes time, and your results will always depend on your own skill, effort, and circumstances. This video is for educational purposes only. So to get started, click on the link in the description below because you're gonna be able to get a good discount. Hostinger is sponsoring this video and they are looking out for you guys. They're running a crazy Black Friday sale that they're running right now that you don't wanna miss. And even if you're watching this video after Black Friday, you still get a special discount, so don't worry. And so what we're gonna do is claim our deal here, and we're gonna use the Growth with AI package because this is where you're gonna be able to get your e-commerce store. So you're gonna get all this stuff. You get the ability to create 50 websites. You get to optimize your content with AI SEO, which is really important when you're gonna have a website. This is all inside. So what you wanna do is choose this plan, and then you can choose different periods to have this done. You can do it for 1 month, 12 months, 24, but you get the biggest discount when you choose 48 months. So I recommend choosing 48 months, and this is where you're gonna get even more of a discount when you use a coupon code, Whitney10. So just put in Whitney10, apply it, and bam. Now it's good to know that they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so this is totally risk-free. Now after the checkout process, this is what you're gonna see. Click on Start Creating or Migrating a Website. And then you're gonna click on Create a Website, press Next, and click on Hostinger Website Builder. I'm gonna show you quickly after this the Hostinger Horizons Builder because this one is a complete game changer. But first, let's click Next. And here's where you can get your domain for free. The domain name is the name of the website that you want it to be called. And I'm gonna name mine parenthood.online. I'm choosing parenthood because I'm gonna build a store for pet owners. And just so you guys know, this is the secret. The real secret to a successful t-shirt store is going niche. Because broad audiences, they don't buy, specific people do. So when you try to sell funny shirts for everyone, you're competing with Amazon, Walmart, and thousands of other print-on-demand sellers. And nobody feels a reason to choose you. But when your store is hyper specific, it's like shirts for night shift nurses or sassy dental hygienists, people instantly think this is for me. Niche buyers share more, convert higher, and face far less competition. Plus, every part of your business just gets easier. Your designs are more consistent, your SEO becomes more clear, your ads become cheaper, and I'm not gonna even use ads. And people know why they would even shop with you. You're not selling shirts, you're not in the shirt selling business, you're selling identity. And that's exactly why sellers like Taylor and Meg are winning. So in this video, I'm gonna do a dog store for dog owners. And I want you guys to feel free to copy me because dog owners are one of the most passionate buying groups online. They don't just like their dogs, they treat them like family, which means they love wearing things that show off their breed, their personality, and their sense of humor. The dog niche is massive, emotional, and full of micro niches, like specific breeds, rescue parents, first-time puppy owners, senior dog owners, dog moms, dog dads, trainers, groomers, you name it. And the best part, dog owners buy repeatedly. Seasonal designs, funny quotes, matching sets, gifts for friends, and breed-specific merch. Like, this is the niche that you guys should try out because the demand is huge. Endless angles to try out. That's why I picked this one. I want to show you how to sell it in a minute. So I put my name here and I describe my store with a prompt that I'm going to put in the description below to show you what I use to help create my store. It recognizes that this is an online store that I want to create, and now I have a whole store made in minutes. Now I'm going to change some things, but this is not bad at all. Now you can change the colors to anything you like, and I'm gonna change mine to this one, but this is just showing you the flexibility you have with creating your website. Now I'm gonna edit the rest in a minute, but I wanna first show you how you can start adding products to this, okay? So click on continue here to set up your store, and I'm gonna click here to get started. Now, to set this shop up, click add Printful, and this, just so you guys know, this is gonna be the manufacturer that does it all. They print the designs on the shirt, they warehouse the clothes, and they ship it. So that's why this is such an attractive business, because you don't have to have inventory, you don't have to do anything, you just get paid when it sells. So set up your account if you don't have one and authorize their access to your store. Once you sign in, click on create product, and I'm gonna show you how easy this is. So this is Printful, and the first thing I'm gonna do is go to the product catalog and click on best sellers, because I don't wanna have to test which shirts are good or not. The sales will tell you. So I'm looking for a woman's shirt and it's on the second page. So I'm gonna click on that and press create product template. I upload an image I made from ChatGPT, which I'm gonna give you guys the prompt that I used to get this. And I upload the photo and press apply. I send in the graphic and make little tweaks, and boom, I got my t-shirt I can print. I save the template, and if you just scroll down, you're gonna be able to see how it looks on other mock-ups, and you can add those to your store. So to add to your store, just click on it, choose the mock-up, and pick the one you like, and continue. You can update the title if you want, and here is how you make money. Now this is the Printful price, and this is the retail price. So whatever you add will come to you, but you have to know it has to be worth it to the consumer to want to buy it. And there is a way to make money twice with this that I'm going to show you in a minute. To add this to your site, press save product, and it's added to the store. So I did two just to show you how it looks. And I went to another tab with my hosting your account and went to edit website at the top. And if we scroll down, you're going to see the shirts that I made are now ready to purchase. Now, isn't that cool and easy? Like, anybody can do this. Now, let me show you how I'm going to change this homepage to look a little more appealing. So I'm going to click on this section right here and click edit section. And then I'm going to look for dog with dog owner to see what they have, because I'm looking for a video that's appealing. This one right here, I like it because it's engaging and it fits my target audience. So I click on it and bam, look at that. I want to update the rest of the pictures on the site, but this is how easy it is to build a print-on-demand store with zero transaction costs. Now that's one way. Let me show you the other one with just one single prompt. So if you go back to the dashboard, you'll see you can create with Horizon, where you can actually build apps, memberships, communities, and more. This thing is insane. So it says, what do you want to create? So I put what I want to create. I want to create a website for dog owners. This should be about community, sharing stories with one another, and a place to buy my dog t-shirt apparel. And just in a matter of minutes, you won't believe what it made me. From just this prompt, it designed exactly what I wanted and more. Look at this. It created a logo, everything I asked for, even a place to share stories. And look at how amazing this is. They even created a stories sections for people to leave stories. And then they put in some other ones already in there to encourage others to share their stories. Like, they did all this for me. I have a place for me to add my shirts, all with just one prompt. Horizon can also connect with the e-commerce features used on the website builder, as well as connect to Printful. So basically you can get the same result just with a different creation method. So I recommend trying both out to see which site builder creates the best one for you, and go ahead and publish that thing. But how do you get people to know about this? So there's two platforms I recommend. I recommend TikTok, because people can watch your videos to get encouraged to purchase shirts. And one that I love where you can double dip is Facebook. This girl makes over $3,000 a month just posting content about her politically charged cookies. And that doesn't even account for the money that she's actually making selling her cookies. Her cookies stay sold out. Use her same blueprint. Take advantage and post good engaging posts for Facebook so you can double dip. Create polarizing content that makes people want to stop and engage. It's like insane right now. You don't have to have a big following to get started. So, what kind of website do you want to create? Let me know in the comment section, and make sure you guys are taking advantage of this amazing offer right now. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you guys, so let me know what you think. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.